Welcome 7th standard children. I am continuing your English lesson. This is the fourth part. Now in the last part, in the third part, I have explained to you all about these questions and I have sent you all notes also. That is answers to the question on page 7 that I have sent to you all. I hope all have copied in your notebook, and also the answers to the questions on page 8 also I have sent to you all. Now next I will be sending you all the answers on page 10. On page 10, that is, why did the shopkeeper think that Charlie needed the chocolate? Because in hurry he ate the chocolate, isn't it? So the shopkeeper understood that Charlie was very hungry, so he might need one more chocolate. Now the next one, why do you think Charlie needed the chocolate? Really, why did Charlie needed the chocolate? He got money from the gutter, isn't it? At once when he got the money, what did he think? He was feeling hungry, so he thought of buying food from the shop that is situated close by. So he entered the shop and he gave the money and he bought one chocolate. He didn't think about the golden ticket. He was very hungry. How did the shopkeeper react when he saw the golden ticket? So in that chocolate, inside the wrapper, Charlie saw the golden ticket. So when the shopkeeper saw the golden ticket, how did he react? He jumped into the air excitedly and called all the people, isn't it? Hey, this boy has won the last golden ticket. So that's the answer that I'll send you. Send the notes. Now next, I hope you all have done the worksheet also. In the last class, I've explained to you all this exercise worksheet. Then next is what? Answer these questions with reference to the context. Now here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. That also I will send them. Now I will be explaining. Good luck to you all and happy hunting. Good luck to you all and happy hunting. Whose words were these? These were the words of the owner of the chocolate factory. Who was the owner of the chocolate factory? Willy Wonka. So these were the words of Willy Wonka. Now the next one, who does you all refer to? You all means all the people who buy this chocolate bar. So he refers to all the people. Now what would they be hunting for? So what they be hunting for? Why they are buying the chocolate? In order to get the golden ticket. Now it's just what we expected. Who said this? That is Grandpa Joe. Then what was expected? What was expected? Golden ticket inside that chocolate bar. When and why was this said? When was this said? On his birthday, Charlie got a chocolate bar, isn't it? So on that day, he was going to open the chocolate bar, so they thought the golden ticket can be expected that. Now it meant one thing to him at that moment, only one thing. Who is him? Who is him? Charlie. Then what was it? It refers to the money Charlie found on the road in the gutter. What did it mean to him? It mean that money, when he got the money, what did he think about that? About food, because he was feeling very hungry. Then that also I will be sending to you all. Surely it wouldn't matter if he spent just one more. So after eating with 1 pence, he bought one chocolate. Then again, what did he think? His stomach didn't fill. So what did he think? He can buy one more. Let me buy one more chocolate. So where was he? He was inside the shop. What did he want to spend one more of? One more? What did he spend for? For the chocolate bar. What happened after he spent one more? So he spent one more pence to buy one more chocolate. So what did he find inside that chocolate bar? The golden ticket. So that's that. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Now answer these questions also. There is, I'll be giving 3 answers. That is, the first one, what were the 3 things being offered to those who found a golden ticket? What are the 3 offers that the Willy Wonka has written? The first thing is that those who got the golden ticket can visit his factory. The second one is that they can find out the secret, the miracle, the secret, the magic of the chocolate factory. And the third is that they would offer chocolate bars for the lifelong. So those are the 3 offers. Then what did Charlie do first when he got the chocolate bar on his birthday? So on his birthday he got the chocolate bar, isn't it? At once did he open? No. He went on, his fingers was going along the chocolate bar, isn't it? Then explain how Charlie's parents and grandparents try not to get his hopes up as he unwrapped the chocolate bar, because they know that what did they think? Sometimes they may be the golden ticket, sometimes they may not. So in order not to disappoint the child, the grandparents started talking all that made him cheer up, not to be disappointed. So these 3 answers I'll be sending to you all. So that is what for this. So children, I hope all have read the lesson 2 or 3 times. So the parents also have to see whether the children are reading the lesson, copying the answers and studying it. Thank you children. That's for today.